Hi all, welcome to the session Ollama and Llama 3.2. Today we are going to discuss about Ollama software and what is Llama 3.2, what are the benefits of using Ollama and Llama 3.2 and few demo. So what is a Ollama software? Ollama is an AI tool that allows the users to run various machine learning models locally on their devices, offering a way to interact with the models such as DeepSeek and Llama in a convenient private environment. It simplifies the process of running large AI models on personal hardware, making these advanced tools more accessible to non-developers. So what is Llama 3.2? It is a family of language models developed by Meta, designed to be efficient and scalable. Llama 3.2 would likely refer to a version of this series, offering improvements over its predecessors, such as better performance, accuracy, or speed. It performs tasks like text generation, summarization, and question and answer. It is a conversational model. What are the benefits of using Ollama and Llama 3.2? It is an ease of integration. It simplifies installation and setup. It is very easy to install like other softwares. It is enhance the productivity. Leverage state-of-art AI for various tasks. It's open source and it is free. So use powerful models without high cost as possible. Scalability and flexibility suitable for small and large scale projects. So what are the environment requirements? The system requirements, we need this OSs, either the Mac OS, Linux or Windows. Hardware, modern CPU, 8GB plus RAM is required, 10 to 20 GB disk space is required here. So we'll see how we are going to install the Ollama here. So we can go to the site ollama.com and we can click this download button. So in the download button, it shows us different operating system, Mac OS, Linux or Windows. So for the Mac OS and Windows, it is allow you to download this with the help of your download for Mac OS button. For your Windows also, it is provide you the button to download the executable file. You can run the executable file after downloading it. So for the Linux, you can use a single command to install it very easily, the Ollama software. So here you can copy this command and go to your terminal. So in the terminal, we can paste this command. It will take some time to install it. So once the installation is completed, we can verify the installation with the help of the command is called as Ollama-V. So we can use this command Ollama -V command, which is used to verify the version here. Next we can run the model Llama 3.2 again with the help of the command Ollama run what is the version you want. At present we have taken the version is Llama 3.2 version we are taking. So it will run the model Llama 3.2 here. It will provide you the prompt. In that prompt, we can type our queries. So /? is for your help. You can get a help. So the multiple commands are displayed here. Even you can ask the question, for example, are you a LLM? This is my question. So it start providing you the answer. So you can see it is saying that yes, I am a large language model, and it will provide few informations about that model is also it is providing you. So again you can type your next command, next queries you can type it here. Thank you for watching this video.